CycleDrag.com. Take a look at this. At first glance, you may be thinking 1972 Z1 900, but no, take a look out. There's some features here that tell you this is not original. This is what they call a Resto Mod. Believe it or not, this is actually a 1977. I'll give you a look down here at the front wheel. You'll really be able to tell that we have some unique features. It certainly looks cool. Like I said, at first glance, it looks like a 72. My friend Frank joins me. Frank?
Hey, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
How are you, buddy?
Resto Mod. Explain to me what a Resto Mod is.
Well, there are times that you'll find a classic motorcycle that has been upgraded with aftermarket parts, suspension, exhaust systems, air cleaners, and as you find a bike that's really clean like that, obviously it's not original anymore, but it has a lot of value in being a Resto Mod because you've upgraded the performance of it, and there's a big group of people who like Resto Mods because they want to ride it a little harder, possibly show it, and it can be a lot of fun.
Now, you know the gentleman who did this restoration here, right? What do you think was the thought process there? Instead of going completely bone stock, they said, let's do something a little bit different, because we see that they do have some stock motorcycles over here. They took a different turn with this one.
Sometimes when you do a lot of motorcycles and restore them, you end up with sometimes period performance parts. Now, say this motorcycle could have been purchased missing a lot of the original parts, like the exhaust or the suspension was shot or it was completely toast. And you might, these are obviously different wheels, different exhaust system, different suspension, rear suspension.
Yeah, come show me the rear suspension. Let's take a look at this. Guys, this is a Resto Mod in 1977. Yeah, certainly you could take a look. That's a performance suspension. That is not stock. And it looks like
piggyback shocks,
aftermarket swing arm as well. Box swing arm. Really cool stuff.
Could well have been. And instead of the air box, they put the individual pod filters on all four of the carburetors.
Yes, drag racers.
That will suck a lot more air and give you better performance. You rejet them. And then there's a 4-in-1 aftermarket exhaust here, which this particular one is a Kirker. And Kirker, Vance and Hines, Super Trap, they were all the big players back in the day.
It's a thing of beauty. I know that my drag racers will appreciate that, because the first thing you did as a drag bike racer, you took the air box off and you got yourself an exhaust system.
You sure do. You rejet the carbs, you get more air coming in, more volume of air going out, and you get more power that way, don't you?
Very cool.
And of course the wheels are aftermarket too. They're off, I believe, a more modern bike. I can't remember what, but you know, obviously wider rubber, a little bit better performance there too.
It's cool, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments for sure. 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000 Resto Mod. Thanks for liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook and subscribing to CycleDrag on YouTube for more great machines like this.